You may have stumbled on this channel looking for a nice waterfall or theme park to visit. It's really great to meet you. My name is Dan and the princess here is Ellie. She's our Labradoodle, our pride and joy. Just before the pandemic, I started to document our lives and put it online for a couple of reasons. One, I wanted to create great memories that we could look back on. And two, I wanted to learn something new. It's always great to continue growing. I started it with my cell phone and a simple editor. Another reason I'm doing this is to inspire people to get out and do the things you love. So that's what this channel is about. Not totally, but that's what it's about, sort of. Things we love to experience. To be honest, this has turned out to be so much work, but it is so worth it, and to look back and see that I did these fun things in such a short time, that we're here on this marble. Now would be a great time to tell you that this is also a side hustle. So hit that subscribe button. We love theme parks, food, travel, and unexplored adventures around this beautiful planet. And of course, Disney. Duh. We try to bring our doodle along with us as much as we can. Sometimes she brings her friends also. She's been to Disney, kayaking, hiking, and sometimes even playing in the snow. Life is short, and you have to hustle if you want to see it all. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and experience it for yourself. We want to thank you for spending the time with us and coming along on these journeys with us. Just remember, time is short. Time is short. Let's take advantage of it. The world is your oyster. See you in the next one. Bye, dudes.